Hey guys, let's get right into it. Here's all the ingredients that you'll need. You can pause the video and I'm going to put the ingredients in the description box below. But let's get started. We're going to chop up our onion and our tomato and get our pasta going on the stove. This recipe makes for a very quick and simple meal prep, and you don't even have to do the extra step with the tomatoes and the onions, but I like it. I think it makes the dish way more flavorful. So we're just going to chop everything up, clean our chicken, and we're going to get two pans going with some olive oil, one for the chicken and one for the tomato and onion. So after we clean our chicken, we're going to saute it, season it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, creole, spicy Mrs. Dash. Yeah, the works, honestly. And then for the onion and the tomato, I just like to put a little bit of salt and then garlic powder. And so let both pans get going on some medium heat and season to perfection. And the pasta is going at the same time. So after we saute everything, we can get some frozen vegetables on the side. I just like to pop some broccoli in the microwave for like 2 minutes. Then we're going to take our pasta sauce. I'm using vodka pasta sauce here, and we're going to add a little bit of seasoning on this. This is the North Beach blend. It's from a farmer's market in San Francisco, but just little seasoning on it. And honestly, that is it. It's the quickest recipe you'll ever make. So easy, so nutritious, and just delicious. So enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.